Are you still confused on how to find percentage quantity of any given number? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to solve percentage quantity of any given number. Either you are preparing for SAT examination. It is perfect for students preparing for SAT examination and any other special examination or standardized examination. So if you grab anything from this video, do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Find 20% of 70. Find 20% of 70 percentage quantities. We are asked to find the percentage quantities of this number 70. So what this implies is that 20 over 100. 20 over 100. This is the percentage. 20% of 70 of times 70. So it's going to be this cancel this, this cancel this, this cancel this, this cancel this. So you have 2 times 7 is equals to 14. It's 14. So 20% of 70 is simply 14. So I hope you grab the method. If you are still confused on how I arrived at this 14, leave your question in the comment section. I will respond to every single one. My name remains Olusegun Abubakar. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.